So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will show you another newly launched best low-cap meme coin on Solana blockchain that can be the next BONK coin. Okay, that can be the next 100x potential meme coin on Solana blockchain. Okay, so video is going to be very special, very important, and I'm already holding this coin right now. And which exchange from I buy this coin, I will also show you. Okay, so you have to just for the computer and make sure to like the video. So friend, first of all, you can see Honk's snap. Okay, current CoinGecko ranking is 1397 number ranking. Current price $0.010. That is increased by 5.3% last 24 hours. Here you can see, as I already told you, this is low cap meme coin. So its market cap is just $9.4 million market cap. And if you compare this meme coin right now with other meme coins, just like FLOKI coin, BONK Cook coin, so if this meme coin can reach their market cap, okay, then definitely this coin is the next 100x or maybe 1000x potential meme coin. Okay, you can see last 30 days this coin is just pumped by 36%. That is nothing pump for a meme coin, so still this coin has potential to pump more here. At first, so you can see its max supply is 99 million tokens. Okay, 999 million token only. Okay, nearly 1 billion coins. Okay, and most of the supply is in circulation. So this is really amazing. There are no more token that will come in circulation. And here you can see coin is using Solana blockchain here. And here you can see we are 56% down than its all-time high. Okay, its all-time high was a month ago, and we are 6000% up than its all-time low. And these are the exchanges where this token is listed. I recently purchased this coin from mexe exchange. Okay, in first step I buy this coin for $5, and maybe I can buy this coin for $5 more today, and I will hold this coin for $10, because here you can see this coin is only listed on two centralized exchanges, just mexe and Polynix exchange. When this coin will be listed on many other centralized exchanges, and its market cap will be increased. Okay, that is just now. Here you can see 9.4 million dollars only. Okay, that will be increased, and that can be increased up to $50 million market cap, or maybe 100 million market cap. If this coin can gain just $100 million market cap, so it can be the next 10x coin. And I think maybe we can see massive and major exchange listing soon, because this is really amazing coin. Okay, and I personally get first entry in this coin, okay, yesterday, and maybe I can make another entry today in this coin. And so you can see number of holders are really amazing. Here you can see 8176 holders. Okay, so number of holders are really amazing. Okay, because this is not a old meme coin. Okay, this is newly launched meme coin. Okay, I think just month ago. Okay, this coin was launched in this year 2024. Okay, and 8000 holders, so it means community is taking interest in this coin. Okay, and maybe we can see a massive pump soon in this coin, and maybe some major exchange listings for the Honk coin. Okay, so as I already told you, I'm already holding this coin, but because this is a meme coin that can be highly risky, this can be goes up to 100x, or maybe can not goes to 100x. So you have to invest very short amount here. Okay, as I just invest $10 here. Okay, so now it's upon you that how much amount you are investing in this meme coin. If you are investing or not, it's your personal decision. This video is not any financial advice.